How to use emergency call on locked iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use emergency call on a locked iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, we will be on our locked screen like this. After we're here, what you'll then need to do is simply swipe up so we can head over to our verification, whatever it is. If it's Face ID, you will see the Face ID. Make sure that you hide your face so you can go to your passcode section. If you have not enabled Face ID, you should directly be on your enter passcode section like this. Now right here you will see emergency option on the bottom left. Tap on emergency. Then you should be on this keypad right here. Now all you need to do is type in an emergency number such as 100 or simply 911. After you type that in, you should be able to make a call, and you can only make emergency calls from this section. You cannot make regular phone calls. So after here, you can simply tap on the call button and it should just, go an emergency call. And that's how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to our channel and stay tuned for more.